Well, you can see the switch for the pressed air. The switch is turned on, and for this pipe, it connected to the welder. And for this purple switch, it is for security concern. As when the purple switch is on this side, the air pressure is 0, and there is no pressure applied onto the welder. You can see it is connected. So when I turn on the switch to this side, you can see there is air pressure, and the air cylinder, you can see the air cylinder is up, and there will be gap between the two moves. Yeah, between the two moves.